Hey, so I'm preparing to go to the beach and do a intentional medicine art, medicine wheel. I call them sand paintings, but they're opportunities to tell a story in a new way, to manifest something, to change a story. And today, my intention and focus is on a few things as they, in my mind, intersect, affect each other, impact each other. Um, I've been taking some permaculture classes, and we've been talking about the degradation of our soil on Earth through, um, chemicals and agriculture, um, through our building upon them, and then sometimes we have these massive wildfires, and then we use chemicals to treat the fire. And even though transformation can happen after fire, there's also it can degrade if there's chemicals. Anyway, the point is the soil holds huge amounts of carbon, and we're having a carbon issue right now. And if 50% of the world's soil right now is degraded, then that's a lot of carbon that it's not holding, that's in the atmosphere. And so there's that piece. And then there's the part where the soil is full of living microorganisms. That's actually what creates they create a relationship between the plants and the nutrients that are in the soil, and so that the plants can grow and take up the nutrients. And so we're killing the microorganisms in the soil. And I was thinking about how so many of us now have challenges with our gut biome, our microbiome inside of our bodies. I'm sure on our skin too. I'm not a scientist, so I haven't studied all the things. But our gut health and has just been declining over the years, and I've personally been impacted by that. So I wanted to draw that parallel between where our food is growing, the soil being degraded, and then so are our internal systems, and so we're not getting the nutrients we need. So this piece will be a step I can take as an artist, as a healer, towards changing that story. And I will only be using what I find on the beach. This particular beach I'm going to has massive amounts of driftwood, and the driftwood reminds me of bones. Like, it's just in piles everywhere. And so I was thinking about our bodies. We're made of, our bones, but also the bodies of the trees that go back to the soil. And so this piece, each piece I touch and put into the medicine piece will carry this intention. Oop. And so that is my hope, is that we can have, there's a little lizard. It's come to visit and hang out. So yes, that's my intention to hold for this piece, and then it can just go back to the earth as the winds and the ocean come.